everybody, welcome to Cooking Up Nutrition. Today I'm super excited. I'm just whipping up a side dish. So anybody who wants to jazz up their roasted cauliflower, you definitely want to watch this video for today. So let's get started. It's called cheesy onion cauliflower. That's what I'm going to call it. So I've already roasted the cauliflower. Here it is. I'll tell you what I did. Just go ahead and put your cauliflower, cut it into little trees or whatever you want to call them, and add about a tablespoon of olive oil or avocado oil, and a little bit of garlic powder. And I roasted those for 10 minutes on 450 degrees. And then I went ahead and caramelized some onions. You could see this. So I just took a pan with a tablespoon of olive oil. I cut up a red onion and I sauteed them for about 5 minutes. Then I added some salt, pepper, thyme, and actually about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce in there. So we're gonna go ahead and top the caramelized onions onto the cauliflower. Like so. It's gonna be really pretty with the purple in there. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some cheese. This is shredded mozzarella, part skim, but you can add a vegan cheese if you like. Gruyere would be really good. Whatever kind of cheese you have on tap and whatever you like. And then we're just gonna go ahead and put that in the oven for about 3 minutes or so till it's all melty, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, I'm back. Want to show you the finished product of the cheesy cauliflower with the onions. Here's the reveal. I just put it back in the oven to melt the cheese for about 3 minutes. And let's give it a whirl and see how it tastes. Cheers, everybody. Gotta get the fork in it. Super awesome. Hope you guys make the cheesy cauliflower. And if you do, of course, let me know how it comes out. Send me a picture, and tune in for next week. Have an awesome day.